Minecraft has captivated millions with its open-world creativity. Building anything you can imagine is a big part of the fun, but sharing that experience with friends makes it even better. That's where hosting your own Minecraft server comes in. Imagine a world built by you and your friends, a place with your own rules and creations. It's a fantastic way to deepen your enjoyment of this already addictive game. This guide will walk you through setting up a Minecraft server on your own computer. Whether you're on Windows, we'll provide clear and simple steps to get you started. So let's dive in and make your Minecraft world a reality. Before we download any files, let's get your Windows system ready. This involves creating a dedicated folder where your Minecraft server will live. First, open up Windows File Explorer. Navigate to the location on your computer where you want to store your server files. This could be on your desktop, in your Documents folder, or any other place you prefer. Once you've chosen the location, create a new folder. You can name it anything you like, for example, Minecraft Server. This folder will hold all the files necessary to run your server. Minecraft is built on Java, so you'll need to download it to run your server. Don't worry, it's a quick and easy process. Open your web browser and go to the official Java download page. Look for the latest version of Java 17 and download the installer appropriate for your Windows system. Once the download is complete, double-click the installer file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions, which are generally straightforward. Section 4. Downloading PaperMC and creating the server. Now let's download the server software itself. We'll be using PaperMC, a popular choice known for its performance and stability. Go to the official PaperMC website in your web browser. Locate the latest version of PaperMC and download the .jar file. Next, move the downloaded PaperMC.jar file into the Minecraft server folder you created earlier. Now we'll create a simple text file to launch the server. Right-click inside the Minecraft server folder and choose New Text Document. Open the new text document and paste the following command into it. Java, Xms2G Xmx3G jar server, jar nogui pause, save this file as run.bat. Make sure to change the file type from txt to .bat. Section 5. Running your server on Windows. You're just one step away from launching your Minecraft server. Double-click the run.bat file you created earlier. A command prompt window will open, and the server will begin to start up. The first time you run the server, it will create some necessary files. This may take a few minutes, so be patient. Once the server is fully loaded, you'll see a message indicating it's ready. Congratulations! Your Minecraft server is now up and running. You can invite your friends to join using your computer's IP address and the server port, usually 25565. To stop the server, simply type stop into the command prompt window and press enter. Section 6 Conclusion. Your world awaits. Setting up your own Minecraft server might seem daunting at first, but as you've seen, it's a manageable process. With a bit of time and effort, you can have your own world up and running, ready for endless adventures with friends. Remember that this is just the beginning. There's a whole universe of customization and plugins available to tailor your server to your liking. Explore, experiment, and most importantly, have fun building something incredible together. In the next video, we will teach you how to install plugins and change settings. Stay tuned.